Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to stop apps from automatically opening during startup of your Windows PC. So before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu. Click on that, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to apps, click on that, and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on startup, and it will take you right here. What you need to do right here is to simply disable some of the app that you don't want to be on each time you are starting your PC. So I'm going to turn off as many. You can turn off as many as possible. Everything depends on how best you want your PC to run faster and smoothly. So it's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.